我是宋老师。With the tools we have today, it's almost impossible not to pick up Mandarin now. I'm serious. We've never lived in a better time to learn a new language. Back in the day, we had to replace the tapes until they broke. But now, things have completely changed. All thanks to ChatGPT. Today, I will show you how you can master Mandarin with your 24/7 AI language coach. No more excuses, no more limits. Let's get fluent right now. Okay. First of all, you have to go to App Store, or if you use a Google Play Store, then go to App Store and install ChatGPT. So the version I'm using is by OpenAI, this one. See this logo? So if you haven't installed already, it will show get, and you will use your password to install it. Since I'm already installed, it shows open. So the version I'm using is a ChatGPT 5. You start new chat, and we are going to give ChatGPT the instruction and who we are. Hi, you are my Mandarin coach. So this is a prompt. Always give first opinion on top, simplified Chinese, concise English, keep sentences short, everyday useful, and leveled for beginner level. Correct my errors briefly and add 2 upgrade phrases each turn. Okay, so we are going to send this prompt. 好的，我们开始吧。请你先试着用中文说一句 My name is. OK, 你来试试吧。OK, let's just follow the introduction. 你好，我的名字是宋老师。I didn't tell my real name. I just wanted to see how she will respond. 你好，我的名字是宋老师。My name is Teacher Song. 很好，不过在中文里，宋老师已经是完整的称呼了，不需要再加名字。Yeah. But I'm wondering why she doesn't give the tips in English. Okay. ChatGPT corrected my sentence. 我叫宋老师，我是宋老师。So I don't need to add 我的名字。My name is Teacher Song. Yeah. But I wanted give me the correction in English. So maybe in your prompt, you have to say correct my errors briefly in English. Okay. So anytime if you have questions, you can ask ChatGPT. You just click it, click the sentence, and then it will pop up, ask ChatGPT. So I will ask ChatGPT for that sentence. Can you correct me in English and Chinese? So it said it's understandable, but in Chinese saying 名字 name together with 宋老师 is a bit redundant. So it's if your prompt you don't understand, you can always ask questions back. But so far this prompt works well. So next prompt. So I'm going to send the role play. So I give the second prompt for the role play. Don't worry, I will give you guys all the prompts we used in this session in my description. So I asked for the role play. Hi, 你好，今天过得怎么样？ How's your day going? And your answer. And she asked me to answer it. So I will just use a ChatGPT. I mean, consider ChatGPT as a she, as a lady. So that's why I will say she. Let's just say she. Otherwise, later I will say she or they, or confusing. So your answer, I will follow up. You can either use a speaker here to record, or this time I can use a voice mode here. I will try use a voice mode and then talk to ChatGPT. Hi, 你好，我最近过得还可以吧？
好的，很好。好的，很好。Great, that sounds good. 你平时喜欢做什么? What do you usually like to do? Just keep going. I'll correct any errors after every 3 turns and give you a quick tip then.
Sorry, I was sneezing.
没关系，打喷嚏没事。没关系，打喷嚏没事。No worries, sneezing's no problem. 我们继续吧。
好。
Let's.
刚才说到哪里了？
好，刚才说到哪里了？好，刚才说到哪里了？ All right, where were we? You've done great so far. After these 3 turns, here's a quick tip. Quick tip, in casual daily life conversations, it's totally normal to ask simple follow-ups like, what do you like to do? 你喜欢做什么? Or where were we? 刚才说到哪里了? Keep it simple and natural. 我刚才再想一下。我刚才再想一下。I was just thinking for a moment. 没事，我们慢慢来。没事，我们慢慢来。No problem, let's take it slowly. Now let's keep going.
OK. 你可以说慢一点吗？
没问题，我可以说慢一点。没问题，我可以说慢一点。No problem, I can speak more slowly. You're doing great asking for a slower pace. This is a useful everyday phrase, so definitely keep it in mind. But
So this is how you use a voice memo? Okay. Now I will show you how it looks like when you use a phone. When you have a ChatGPT on your phone screen. Okay. So I asked to give me 15 super useful beginner phrases for daily life. Okay, let's see what it comes. Okay. Greetings, small talk. 你好，你好吗？谢谢。你叫什么名字？我是玛丽。Okay, ordering food. 请给我一杯水，我有一份面条。Directions, location. So 15. It will keep coming. Yeah, it will keep coming. 请给我一份米饭。Would you like more audio? Would you like audio recordings for shadowing? So, let's try it. Okay. She said she will create MP3s. So she give you few options and you can choose from. So you choose. Sometimes it's not working, but since she asked, so I will choose 1, or you can just simply type the number 1. Yeah, if you are interested, you can follow the instruction, but this prompt is just how asking ChatGPT gives you like 15 phrases every day. Yeah. So this prompt is helping you to practice your reading and the paraphrasing. So I asked the paraphrase this short Chinese text 3 ways, and add opinion and add a 1-line note. Let's see what's going to happen. Please send me short Chinese text. Okay. Since I can type, I don't know, since this is my new laptop, probably I haven't installed the keyboard, Chinese keyboard yet, so I will just talk here. 请给我一杯茶。Okay, perfect. So simpler. 请给我茶。Remove the 一杯 a cup. So it's a simpler. Neutral, polite. 我想要一杯茶。I would like a cup of tea. 我想要 uses 我想要 I would like a soft and polite request. This is a really, really good teaching. 来杯茶，谢谢。A tea, please. It's casual. Yeah. So usually we go to cafe, we will say 来杯茶. Yeah, it's very casual. So let me know if you would like to try role playing this at a cafe. So if you want to role play for this scenario, you can use a voice mode here, just like we did before. This prompt will help you to improve your writing. Okay. Please send me your English message, and then she will provide this. Okay. Sorry, I got cold a few days ago. I'm sneezing a lot. Okay, natural version. 我感冒几天了，一直在打喷嚏。Very good. 我这几天有点感冒，总是打喷嚏。So in 3 different versions. 哎呀，我感冒了，又在打喷嚏。Friendly version. And then useful chunks. 感冒了 caught a cold. 几天了，一直打喷嚏，有点。And close quiz is fill in the blanks. So 我blank 一直咳嗽。What are you going to put in the blank? 我感冒了，一直咳嗽。我最近头疼，不太舒服。我一直头疼，不太舒服。Something like that. So, if you don't know these answers in the blank, then you can ask ChatGPT back. So if you would like answers or want to practice replying back in Chinese, let's get answers first. Yes, please. give me answers. For the close quiz, it returned answers. 我有点头疼 ，yeah， 不太舒服。Yeah, this is a great way to practice your vocabulary, your sentence by different scenario. And you can take a test yourself. Next prompt, to help you practice your pronunciation, create 20 tone pairs, ma, 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 with common words and short simple sentences. 妈妈，我妈妈在家。那是一匹马。Yeah, like this. Wow. 20 pairs? Did I ask for 20 pairs? Anyway, this is how you practice your pronunciation using ChatGPT. I will also give you extra prompts to practice the different tones. Okay, this prompt is helping you to build the next week's plan. Next week Mandarin plan. Tuesday, Wednesday. So every week you can just follow this format, this plan, role play and 15 daily phrases, and then ChatGPT will create new bunch of new phrases, new role play scenarios. So this way, you don't need to plan every time. It's just automatically created, planned well. Okay. Lastly, let ChatGPT to remind you to practice your Mandarin lessons every day. Help it created a task. Start Mandarin practice. Okay, here you click on this. So once the task is created, you can see schedules, and this is going to be look like the notification alarm. Time for Mandarin practice. Yeah, it was sent by email, but if you set as a push, you can also see notification on your phone or your laptop. Alright, your AI teacher and your alarm clock are both ready. Set up your coach prompt, start your first role play in Mandarin. And keep it playful. 谢谢大家，Bye.